Hey guys, Dave Sticky RX here. So I'm going to show you some cool work we're doing for Ferrari 599 GTO. We're going to show you all this right now. Stay tuned. Okay, here we have a Ferrari 599 GTO order for Tommy at P1 Motor Cars. You'll notice that this has got some red parts. They are Rosso Corso. So what we've got here is we're at our laser station here. So we got a bunch of parts in our job carts that have come from paint. And you'll notice all these parts have no graphics. So unlike some other competitors, we strip all the parts completely bare. We fully refinish the parts with a new hard touch coating, and then we laser etch the graphics. So there are no graphics here because we're at the laser getting ready to do that. So these parts are not cleaned. They're stripped bare, resprayed with our very, very durable hard touch coating. Okay, and then the next step is we're going to laser everything. So we've got a few sets of parts here. These are the seat panels, all the parts that need lasering. This car, we don't even bother refinishing the transmission switches anymore because we've reproduced those. So this will get our reproduction switches. And the next step, I'll show you a video that has all these parts lasered etched and ready to go for assembly. Okay, so all these parts have now been processed through our laser. You'll see they all now have graphics. Okay, everything is laser etched, no stickers, no decals. You'll see the quality and the vibrant graphics. Okay, high quality finish, no rattle can coatings. These are true automotive interior coatings, which are extremely difficult to obtain. Okay, so you see all these parts look really sharp. I mean, these graphics, how good they look. All right, the vent rings, overhead rather, the switches for fuel and trunk. Okay, and then above we have the seat panels and everything laser etched, the memory controls. As I mentioned, these are our reproduction switches. So these are already pulled from our grocery. And of course, with these carts, in the blow bins, we keep all the non-refinished items such as the electronics, the knobs, things like that. So now this cart is ready to transfer right over there in our lean FIFO lane to our assembly area. We will start putting this all together, and we'll show you all these items after they are fully assembled. Okay, so here we have it. This is the final assembly of the 599 GTO order. All the parts have been inspected. At this point, it is ready for packaging. So we've got the overhead console dome light here. We've got the HVAC unit. We've got the window switches. These are different on HDTs and GTOs. Got the headlight control and mirror control here. This little 12-volt socket cover. Display mode, various buttons, lock, unlock, off, this little REC button, parking sensor, the fuel door, and trunk lid. Again, these are all laser etched graphics. Up in the top of the cart here, we have the seat controls with the heater dials. Okay. The driver's side has the memory switches here. Then we've got the transmission switches with our reproduction switches within those. The mirror triangles, these are defroster vents that go on the doors in Rosso Corsa. It's a little hatch cover box here. Up in the top, we have the upper steering cover, again in Rosso Corsa. We've got the lower steering cover and the tilt, all laser etched graphics. And then this is the shelf rails that go in the trunk and at the rear shelf. Down here we have the vents. These are also GTOs and 599 HGTs are a little different, laser etched graphics. And there you go. And this is how we handle things with our job carts, with the customer information up top. That's the due date for the particular process. we keep in the gray bins all electronics and things of that nature, and then these green bins, the final items. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.